Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2018 Vespa Sprint 125. We're going to grab the camera and take a close look around the bike for you. Right, let's go and take a closer look at this Vespa. It does look nice. It's got the Adidas graphics kit on there. It's a nice touch with the white wall tyres. Just get a closer look at the paintwork on this and the wheels. It's got the white wall tyres on it. Does also have ABS on this. And on the front as well, it has got the really nice bright LED lights as well. Really do make it look nice. It's got the the black and white theme going on here with the smoked indicators as well. It's got the side LED driving lights in there. You can see the ABS on the front disc there. It is a low mileage bike this. It's only got one former keeper. But we'll have a look at the clocks in a second. Get the exact mileage off for you. It is HPI clear and it's had a full government mileage check. It's also got full service history with this as well. Get a closer look under here. You can see the 3 Adidas stripes on the side there. Does also come with the front and back luggage racks. As you can see, all the back lights as well, they're all smoked as well. And it's also, this has got the full protection bar kit on this as well, which, as you can see, it goes all the way around on the fairing, on the sides, on everything. This is a 125, so it is a learner legal bike as well. So you can ride this with a CBT. As you can see, it's got the Vespa mod target sticker on there as well. Really nice looking bike this. So what we'll do, we'll go and take a look up at the dash now. Grab the mileage as well. Right, let's go and have a look at the mileage. As you can see, it's done 2,310 miles, so really low mileage this. If you look at the controls there, you've got your mode button, which changes the display on the dash. You've also got your kill switch, you've got your starter on there, and on the other side you've got your lights, you've got your indicators and your horn. Just have a quick look at the lights at the front there, so you can see how bright they are. As you can see, they're nice and bright LEDs on there. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photographs or videos close up of anything on the bike, anything you think we might have missed or anything you want to see in particular, we can do that, send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you'd like to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.